Hello, Chef Johnny here. You're at Texas Style Cuisine. Tonight, not cooking anything, but I'm going to show you my new camera. It's Christmas time here. Family just gave me my new camera. Thanks to my baby girl and my son and my wife. They thought I needed to up my game on my filming part of everything going on. And this is what they got me. It's a JVC GY-HM200U 4K camera. And it's supposed to be pretty nice. So we're going to open it up. I started to open the box and my son was like, no, wait. We got to do an unboxing. So we stopped midstream to do an unboxing. But here we go. We're going to open this up. We'll see what's inside. First is the package. Just paperwork, warranty, stuff like that. Plug. Let's see here. Rest of the plug. Got those items. Here's the hood, I guess, or the shade cover for the lens. Got it. And here's what's in the box. Let y'all see that. Battery. Got a battery. Oh, this is the handle. It has a top handle carrier with a microphone that will hook into there with the XLR connections for the sound. So this can be a lot better for sound. The one I was going to pick out just had the regular plug-in. I think it's an 1/8 of an inch plug-in, but this had the XLR connections, which is much better for the sound. A friend of mine at school that does our broadcast journalism recommended this camera, and so that's why we went this direction with this JVC. But here we go. Let's see the camera itself. Here we go. So I can see what it looks like. Not too big. I got a big old hand, but maybe a little bit heavy sided. I get it where I can put my hand in there, it'll work. But that's not bad. Eyepiece goes out and up. Open up here. Lens cover. First time off, so it's taped on. And this snaps on. There we go. Got it on. But definitely don't know how to do everything on it yet. But that's the camera. This snaps on. It's got controls on the top also. And it goes into the hot shoe. So we kind of lock that in place. And this screws down. Now, I tell you what, it has dual pickup mics, one on this side, one on this side. Of course, if you're using your mic here, you don't have to. She's got a kit, I guess, is how they ordered it. Had a lot of different things with it, so it actually has an external mic that comes with it. But you have your zoom, you have your power up on top. Battery goes in the back. That's your battery pack. Got extra batteries with it. Lens cap. Not nuts about the way that hooks up, but still a lens cover. So, got the camera along with the kit. I got a whole bag full of stuff right here. So we'll it's a carrying bag for, I guess, all the camera and all your stuff. Pretty big bag. But this is full of all kinds of goodies. So we'll just take a look at these. Filter kits, screen protectors. So those are in there. Another battery, good to handle. 128 gig memory card. Oh, and a card reader, so you can put the card in there and plug it into a USB port. So that came with it. Lens cleaning, box for your cards, HDMI cable, and this will stream live, so that's a cool thing about that one also. Strap for the bag, LED light kit, and it's got a rechargeable batteries and a charger with that. And the mic. So anyways, let's open that up. Take a look at this mic. I've been hunting all day. You can tell that. Still got my hunting knife strapped on. Saw a few today. 7 does, $2 this evening when I was out hunting. Nothing I was ready to shoot at yet, but now I can film it when I do it. And here's our mic. So that it's going to hook on here, and again XLR connector for it. So that's everything in the bag. All the accessories for it. So that ought to help me film a little bit better. We'll let y'all be the judge of that when y'all start seeing some of the new videos coming out. I'm still going to use my old Canon to help me film with, I'm sure. But all of that went there. I'll set this down. And the other item we got was this. Put my knife down. My wife thought I needed a nice camera stand, tripod. So, open this one up. And this comes in a nice carrying case, y'all saw. Look, the bag. And the new tripod with the fluid head on it. Okay. And I'm not going to open this all the way up, but y'all can see that nice heavy duty aluminum extends out, but this fluid head is going to be nice to deal with. Here we go. That's what I was trying to do right there. So no more having to loosen everything and move, jerky movements. It's all that nice fluid head on this tripod, and it is a Viltrox, what it says on it, Viltrox. And you can adjust the tension here. If you want to move your handle to the other side, there's a connection for that. Sliding plate removes, so you attach your camera to it, and it comes with a just like a 1/4 inch connection, but there's a one for a 3/8 here, so it'll work with 3/8 or 1/4 inch connections on your cameras. So there we go. Christmas for Chef Johnny. Looked pretty good today. I hope you enjoyed just a sneak peek at this little JVC camera I got for Christmas. I tell you what, it probably does a lot more than I know how to do. I'm going to get a crash lesson, I guess, get on some YouTube, learn how to use this thing. But it does a whole lot of stuff. It does record in 4K if I want to do that. I can do that also. So pretty nice Christmas. Everything was wonderful. Family got me some great things to help with my YouTube game. Hope you all enjoyed this little unboxing. And come back and see me on Texas Style Cuisine, and let's see how this new camera is doing as we make some videos and come see us down the road on Texas Style Cuisine.